You wanna go to the Philippines? Oh, why?
I want to see Lola.
Lola. Who else? No one else? How about Tito?
No.
You don't wanna see Tito? Oh, that's Indy.
Tita Ika.
Oh, Tita Ikang is not in the Philippines. She's in Canada now.
Why?
She's working there. Do you wanna go to Canada?
I can't see her home. What is it? Hello, guys. I'm going to school today.
Oh, smells so good. You smell so good.
Can I see me?
Huh? Smells so good. Good morning. Nothing wants to say good morning.
Good morning. Sit down and lay down.
You wanna lay down? Let's go. Here, Ayla. Oh, stretch, baby. Oh. Good morning, my love. Hello. Good morning, my princess. Hello. You love morning talks. You love morning talks, don't you? We love talking in the morning. Hello, good morning. Ate wants to say good morning too. Say hi, Ate. Good morning to you, Ate. Look at that big smile. Look at that big smile, my love. Hello, my princess. Ate wants to talk to you. Say hi. Still stretching, still stretch. Oh, stretch.
This. I just need to kill you.
Good morning, my baby princess. You talking to the guys? Say hello, guys. Oh, it's me, Indy. Oh, it's okay. Don't cry. Oh. It's okay, my love. What's the matter? Smile. Hello, beautiful. Hey, looking at the guys. She likes looking at the guys. Oh, my beautiful girl. Hey, that's your ate. Look like your ate, don't you? You look like your ate, my love. Oh, princess. Oh. Good morning, baby.
Good morning.
Good morning.
That's
Oh.
That's right.
Don't cry. Ate's here.
Eat cheese. We eat cheese. We eat cheese. Do you eat cheese?
Nope. Say just milk.
Do you eat cheese?
Not yet, Ate. Not
Do
yet.
you eat cheese?
Not yet.
Do you eat
Ay,
cheese?
my love.
Do you
Buyag.
eat water?
Nope, not yet.
Do you not eat real water? Go try.
Don't cry. Off to school you go. Off to work you go. Bye, guys. Aww.
I gotta put them down. Put them on my feet. Yeah.
Jesus, maglagot ko. Jesus, kahumot. Buyag-buyag, Arlo is still sleeping. So, napakain ko si Aylan. Handa ko yung lunch. Lahat-lahat ng very peaceful. Very, very peaceful. Tapos maya-maya lang magigising na yun. Tatawag na yun, iiyak na yung dudong natin. Daming damit, Bob. Daming damit, no? Mommy did laundry yesterday. Oh, happy Thursday, guys. Ready, girl? Let's have coffee. Beautiful. Hey, you're so pretty, my love. Hey. Bait-bait lang yan, oh. You want mommy's coffee and mommy's croissant? Huh? You want mommy's coffee and mommy's croissant? Klok-klok. Sus, kahumot ba ni mo yung dayo eh? Let's do bounce bounce. Let's do bounce bounce lang on the bounce sila. So pretty. Hello, baby. Good morning. Oh, good morning. Where did Ate go? School? Yeah, and where's Kuya? Is Kuya in bed still? Hey, beautiful. Hey, bird. Hey, lang lang. Sus, ang dimple ba yan akong bebe? You have a dimple. I love your dimple. Where's the dimple of Michael? Where's the dimple? Show mama lang. Show mama lang the dimple of Michael lang. I bless you. I bless you again. Kape tayo. Ano lang to guys? Kopi ko brown. Kasi gusto kong mag-sausaw ng croissant or mag-sausaw ng kung ano-ano sa kape. And yung kape namin sa coffee machine, hindi siya yung pang-sausaw. Hindi siya pang-sausaw. Hala, speaking of. Nakalimutan i-off ni Daddy. It's okay na. Oh. So, bumili ako isang pack ng Kopi ko Brown. And I have been drinking Kopi ko Brown. Kain tayo. Kinagatan ni Ayla yung croissant ko eh. Ay, ang cute ng Christmas tree natin. Oh. Matatapos ko na yan today because aalis ako mamaya. Tapos dadaan ako sa Kmart at saka sa Spotlight. Na-order ko siya sa Spotlight kaya lang walang time si Dan i-pick up siya kahapon. Na-busy si Dan ng bongga. Yeah, matatapos natin malagay yung mga bow mamaya. I-try ko mamaya. Tapusin. Let's get ready guys. Kasi alis nga ako mamaya. So pagdating ni Dan at saka ni Ayla, alis na agad ako. Para hopefully, ma-pick up ko yung mga kailangan kong i-pick up before ako pumunta sa appointment ko, not after. Kung hindi kaya, pwede ko naman gawing after kasi yung shops ngayon, late mag-close because it's Thursday. My gosh, ang lamig. Ang init sa labas, but our house is cold. So, si Indy nasa baba, at saka si Arlo. Si Arlo, feeling ko matutulog yun kasi nakahiga, nakauna, nakablanket sa couch. And Indy sleeping in her bassinet downstairs. Ayun, gising pa pala si Dudong. Come here! Ang haba-haba pa ng oras na meron ako kasi ang aga pa. But alam nyo naman, magre-ready ka na habang may chance. Come here! What's the matter? You don't like what you're watching? Nakasapatos yan.
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Okay. Nagtapon ako ng basura kanina. Sumama siya sa labas. Dinosaur. Alright, let's go. Antok na to. Alright, let's go. I am back. Guys, alam ko na kung sino nag-send nung perfume. Galing pala to kay Bebe MJ. Thank you, Be. Meron siyang channel, Mary J. Lee. And siya yung nagbigay nito. Sabi niya, nag-include naman daw siya ng note. But wala. Hindi in-include ni Mayer yung note niya. But thank you so much, Be. I appreciate it. Ito ata yung paboritong pabango ni Manay. Ito ba yun? Hindi namin naamoy kasi ubos na. Wala nang laman yung tester nila nung nag-Sydney kami ba. This is yung Miracle. Parang yan ata yun, if I remember it, right? Tapos suot-suot ko din yung nabili natin sa Ukay-Ukay Bus. Dun sa Walkerville, yung Christmas Festival na inatenan natin ng weekend. So, ang ganda niya, diba? And I'm wearing just linen shorts as well. Hindi ko sure kung linen yung material nito. Parang hindi ata. Linen and viscose. So, hindi siya 100% linen. Hindi ko siya din dryer. Inano ko lang siya. After ko siyang winash, hinang ko lang siya. Tapos, pinadry ko that way. Mabango yun ha, pang summer. Mag-blush lang ako, lip tint, powder. Okay na tayo. Tapos na kumain si Indy. Ayan eh. Nung binaba ako ni Arlo kanina, pinakain ko na din siya, binihisan. She's all good. She's happy. She's clean. Yan. Hanggang sa antukin na naman yan, saka yan siya iiyak. Kailangan kong retouch yung brows ko or okay na ba yung brows ko? Parang maganda din siya eh. Light lang ba? Very natural looking lang. But I'm pretty sure I'm due for a retouch. You happy?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
I love Mickey Mouse.
You love Mickey Mouse? I love Mickey Mouse too.
I want to wear my pajamas.
You want to wear Mickey Mouse pajamas?
Yeah, Mama.
Okay, baby. No, don't play with that.
What's your mommy's?
It's Mommy's. Yeah, not Arlo's.
No, mine.
Not Arlo's.
I help you, Mama.
You want to help me? What happened to your face? Here, close it. Close it. Thank you for helping, Mama. Alright, kasi may time pa ako. Magta-try ako ng mga shorts, guys, na i-declutter ko kasi yun yung hindi ko na-try. Yung sa jeans kasi I did really well. I got rid of all the skinny jeans. As in, lahat ng skinny jeans because I haven't used it in a long time. And I don't think gagamit ako ng skinny jeans ulit. So, I just kept like the mom jeans, yung mga wide leg jeans na meron ako. But yung shorts yung hindi ko na-try. So, now that we have time, itatry ko yung mga shorts natin. And see kung ano yung i-keep natin. I'm also kind of organizing my closet. Kind of. Hindi pa seryoso. Paunti-unti. You wanna sit? Okay. Paunti-unti muna kasi nga wala pa tayo.
Hi. I fight the boy.
Don't fight the boy.
Yeah.
You wanna fight the boy? What happened to your mouth? Is that milk? Is that milky for my baby boy?
Yummy.
Alright, I did well again. Ito yung mga ikikip ko. And I'm getting rid of these. Yung iba hindi ko na tinry. Sabi ko lang hindi ko siya nasuot. So, mga maiikli siya na shorts. And this is what we're working with so far. I'm keeping those mga pambahay, komportable. I'm keeping these as well. And yung mga yan, mga skirt, try ko. Yung iba dito ihahang ko actually, like this one. This is a bit of like a dressy short. So ihahang ko to siya. So, depende sa material. Mas maganda talaga kung hindi ganun kadami kasi ang dali mo lang makuha, malagay kasi hindi masikip. Before ko itry yung skirts na nandito, patulogin ko muna yung Indy ko. Bait niya baby natin. Matutulog lang yan siya, guys. Hindi na kailangan kargahin. Iwan lang natin siya dyan. Matutulog yan. Bait man yan baby namin, no? Bait man yung Indy girl namin na yan. Good night, Baba. Nagising si Indy. Binalik ko lang yung dami and tulog na ata na naman. Let's get ready. 3:02 na ng hapon. And pagdating ni Dan, alis ako agad. Kasi 4:15 yung appointment ko, but I have to be there at 4. Check lang natin. Ito na lang din yung bag na dadalhin ko. Ayoko nang umakyat doon. Card. All good. So, this is our OOTD. So, pagdating ni Daddy, sana makaalis ako agad. Si Arlo hindi natutulog. So, hanggang ngayon, gising pa din siya, guys. Nanonood ng TV sa other lounge. I-ready na natin ang ating footwear para as in diretso na talaga alis. Kasi, alam nyo naman, ayokong malate. And, baka traffic, tapos baka mahirapan ako maghanap ng car park. So, at least, sobrang aga talaga natin. Sabi ko pa kanina, aalis na agad ako pagdating nila ng bahay. Wala, na-stuck na naman sa tao, guys. So, hindi ako makaalis-alis. Pinick up niya yung in-order ko sa Spotlight. So, ipipick up ko sana to ngayon, but siya nag-pick up kasi napadaan daw siya dun. So, pumasok na lang siya sa spotlight. And nandito yung in-order ko na bows. More bows! Nakita nyo na to. Natapos na yung Christmas tree namin kasi vlog to previously. But ngayon ko pa lang siya tatapusin. And then may package na naman. Ay, ito ay para sa kanya. So, hindi natin yan i-open. So, nagpunta siya ng post office. Yeah, I can't wait to finish the Christmas tree. Habang ay, okay. Nilabas na ni Daddy. Artwork ni ate. Asan yung kanyang library bag? Aga ko. It's only 3:55. Nandito na ako sa parking lot. And maglalakad lang ako dun sa clinic. Malapit lang. Nakalimutan ko na naman yung aking sunnies. Iwan ko kayo dito, guys. Tapos na ako sa appointment ko. Dito na ako sa parking lot ng Kmart. My gosh, ang init, guys. Sobrang init. Meron ako in-order dyan. So, i-pick up ko lang. Bili tayo nito, guys. Pang-donate dun sa charity na sinusuportaan ng school ni Ayla. So, I got 4. Gusto kong magdagdag ng isa pa. Kaya lang parang pare-pareho na yung nandito. Bahay na ako. Kanina pa. Kaya lang, pagdating ko, pinakain ko muna yung mga bata para masaya na sila. O, tapos na sila, guys. Wala pang alas 6. And I went to Kmart to pick up the stuff that I ordered online.
That is for the kids.
Aww.
They don't have toys.
They don't have toys. Yeah, some of the kids don't have toys. So we have to give them toys, okay?
Why?
Because. So these are for the kids. Daddy will bring it to your school tomorrow. So Daddy can give it to your teacher
I want the sticker.
to give to the kids. This is for the kids, okay? And we will look for more toys around the house. That's brand new, not used. We'll give it to the kids. I think you have some new books that you haven't used. We can give those to the kids too. Huh?
This is brand new. The tires.
No, not that. We already opened that.
But we didn't open this one.
Yeah.
Open the bags.
You wanna give that to the kids? No, just the toys. Yeah.
Sticker.
You can keep the stickers. We already opened that one. It needs to be brand new. You don't want to give used toys. Alright, is there any brand new puppets there? I think there are toys there that we can give out to the kids, Ate. I think it's gonna be fun. Yeah, you can put more toys in this bag here.
Let me give one sticker.
Oh no, not that one, not that sticker.
This one. Yes, this one.
Oh, yeah.
No, you can keep the stickers, I said.
Okay. Well, this one is but you know what? Got the menu to the sticker.
Oh, all ones. No, don't put it here. So you want salad?
That's you. You have salad?
One for you. Open this for me, please.
What have you got for
So
salad?
I
I
got
saw the lettuce.
We've got both lettuce.
Ah, here's the salad.
Yeah.
Can you open
I'll
this
have
for me?
wraps anyway as well.
Sorry?
I'll have wraps as well.
Uy, sana hindi ko nagunting yun. Ah! Kids outfit for Christmas photo. So I got Indy this dress. Oh, how cute! For Indy girl.
Mom, now what did you get?
I got you this one. Oh, what? To wear when we see Santa. Meron na si Arlo, so okay na siya. And I got, these are big.
Who are they for?
For the kids.
Nah, too big.
Way too big. We need to change this. Ay, naku, nakakainis. Size 2 to 8 yung kinuha ko. That's too big pala. Bilan ko sana sila. Okay, wait. I have to return that. I got these para isabit ko yung mga pants ko, skirt. Yan yung ginagamit ko yung clips, yes? What? Oh, Minion! You got a Minion sticker. Who gave it to you? And then, bumili lang ako nitong file case, stationery case, para paglagyan ko ng mga bills na kinikip na nandun lang sa itaas ng fridge. Inaano niya, tinatambak niya lang. So, ilalagay ko dito para ma-organize na maayos. And, since nandito kami sa Pasko, hindi kami aalis, bumili ako ng advent calendar para sa dalawa. So, para walang away na maganap, binilhan ko sila ng same. Ganito yung itsura, guys. Ayan. So, yeah, sa December 1, i-open natin yan. Ganito yung hooks na gagamitin ko para masabit ko yung pa-decoration natin sa door. Gawa lang ako salad saglit. Ayun ako, kailangan kong i-return yung socks. Ang lalaki. So, maganda to. Ganito lang yung gagawin. Oh, ikiklip lang siya sa hanger. Tapos, you can hang your pants, your skirts nga, ganun. Mayroon na akong isang box nito eh. Ubus na. So, nagdagdag ako ng dalawa. Maganda to siya, guys. Sana hindi to makita ng kids yung ano. So, dapat, after bayaran namin yung bill, ilalagay dito para hindi magkalat. Magkakalat-kalat na dun sa taas ng fridge. Tapos, kapag may hahanapin ka din, kunin mo lang to. Hindi mo na kukunin lahat ng documents. You want Daddy to brush it or Mommy?
Mommy.
Okay, Good boy. It's okay, Mommy's gentle. You want Daddy to do it?
Mama.
Okay, good. Good boy. It's okay, Mommy's doing it. Here, let me see. Oh, Daddy will do it. Okay, I'm doing it. Come on.
Fina.
Not yet, last time.
Look at me. It's too much. Look at me, guys. Look at me. Alright, you're going to wash your face with this.
Yes.
Yeah, done. Alright. Now.